Today I will discuss these two questions. So the first question is from the inverse chapter and the second question is also from the inverse, but here sigma is there. So one by one I will discuss this question. So what is the first question? The first question is, what is the value of tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus half plus sin inverse minus half? So we know that in inverse, we know that in principal value functions, we already know that the tan inverse will lie between minus pi to pi by 2 to pi by 2, and cos inverse x will lie between 0 to pi, and sin inverse x will lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So these things we have to remember while solving this. So what we can write here? So tan inverse tan pi by 4 we can write here, plus, because tan inverse tan theta is theta, so here tan inverse tan theta, so pi by 4. So here cos inverse can write here cos pi plus pi by x, pi minus x, again cos inverse cos pi by 2 plus pi by 390 plus 60. Now here what you can write? Pi cos inverse cos pi minus pi by 3. Yes, we can write here cos inverse cos pi minus, because pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So we can write here sin inverse and sin minus pi by 6 we can write here. So here what is value? Tan inverse tan theta is theta, so here pi by 4 will come outside, plus cos inverse cos theta will be cos inverse cos, this is the theta, so theta will be outside, so pi minus pi by 3, and plus here sin inverse sin theta, theta is minus pi by 6, so how much it will be? Pi by 4 plus minus minus here, so plus 2 pi by 3 plus minus minus pi by 6. So whatever the value, so it will be the LCM, how much it will be? LCM 12, so 3 pi plus 4, 8 pi minus 2, 2 pi, so it will be 11, 9 pi by 12, 3 4 ja 3, so 3 pi by 4 we got. So what is the value of this? 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 it will be. Here tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus half, plus, because we know that how to find out the principal value of inverse function. So we know that tan inverse principal value will be lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and cos inverse value will be lie between 0 to pi, and here sin inverse value will lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So according to that, and tan inverse tan theta is theta, so we arrange that. So we got here 3 pi by 4. That is our answer. So now second question. What is the second question? Question second. If sigma cos inverse xi I equal to 1 to 2n equal to 0, then we have to find out then what will be the value of sigma xi I equal to 1 to 2n. What is this value? So here sigma cos inverse xi I equal to 1 to 2n equal to 0. That means I will put here, so cos 1 it will become, so it will become cos inverse x1, it will become cos inverse x1 plus cos inverse x2 plus cos inverse x3 plus, and so on, it will become cos inverse x2n, because the last term. So here we have to put 1, then 2, 3 like that, because it is sum, sigma means sum, so equal to 0. So when it will be 0, when this sum of anything will be 0 means individually they will be 0. So that means cos inverse xi, so cos inverse xi equal to 0. So that means xi equal to cos 0. So that means xi equal to 1. So we got here xi equal to 1. So that means what is the value here? So it will be 1 I equal to 1 to 2n. So it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on 2n. So how many times it will be go? 1 plus 1 plus 2n times. So it will be 2n into 1. So it will be 2n. So that is our 2n. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel.